Hello, my name is Steve Lin, JSR Textile Group President. It's great to have this opportunity to talk about JSR and alchemy technology. As you know, dyeing is the most important process in textile. It needs a ton of water for dyeing. From report of review, we use clean water for dyeing. It's equally to a Mediterranean seawater. It's an incredible amount of water and more than we can imagine. Unlike it, it's where most of the water pollution from. I believe all of us seeing the river color, which is not clean anymore, and the amount of fish are decreasing, all because of the existence of dye mills. Looking back to 30 years ago, or even longer, we don't see any new dyeing technology improvement to save our environment, to stop keeping discharges, dye stuff and the chemicals into rivers, and eventually into the ocean. Clearly, the chemicals will return to our body because we eat fish and seafood during our daily life. It is the motivation of us seeking the technologies to change in the industry. There are many obstacles on the way. From my point of view, textile is a so-called traditional industry. It's not a high-tech industry, so the scientists won't really focus on this area. It's not easy to get improvement to solve the problem. Years ago, our future R&D team decided to cooperate with the latest alchemy technology company in England.
I'm Dr. Thomas Blythe. I'm Head of Textiles Technology at Alchemy Technology. Alchemy are based in Cambridge in the United Kingdom, and it is our mission to deliver a world with zero pollution from textile dyeing and finishing. To do that, from our Cambridge base, we are designing, we are developing and we are manufacturing a range of sustainable, disruptive products to revolutionise textile dyeing and finishing. The first of our two products is Endeavour, the machine you see in the background there. So this is a waterless smart dyeing process that uses our proprietary liquid application technology to apply traditional dye stuffs to fabrics, and we can meet customer and meet industry requirements whilst also delivering significant reductions in wastewater, energy and cost.
My name is Alan Hudd, founder of Alchemy Technology. It's based in the UK, and we're very excited to be given the opportunity to really change the textile industry and turn it from what is a dinosaur industry into very much a clean tech industry. To be able to solve this problem, we've turned to creating and inventing our own technology, a digital technology, very similar to inkjet and the success that inkjet is having in digital textile printing, but we are focused on dyeing and finishing. Our technology is very similar to inkjet, but in some ways very different. And what we set out to do was create a digital technology that perfectly matched the textile application of being able to provide color or finish consistently across the fabric, all the way through the fabric. It's very important that we were able to penetrate the fabric. And we've achieved that through having this technology that produces a very well-defined, very accurate collection of droplets of the right size and diameter that matches perfectly the dimensions of the fibers in the fabric and allows us to penetrate all the way through the fabric.
So these disruptive technologies offer significant benefits, as I mentioned previously: energy reduction, chemistry reduction, water reduction and cost reduction. So if we focus only on energy, we have an Endeavour polyester product that delivers an 85% energy reduction versus traditional jet dyeing. In terms of water, we can deliver a 95% reduction in wastewater emissions, again versus traditional jet dyeing. And in terms of cost, collectively the lower energy, lower water deliver a cost reduction of 50%. So there's a lot of incentive there, not only for manufacturers but also for brands to adopt our technology and enable sort of implement our technology in the textile industry. And so we're hopeful that the combination of reduced energy, reduced chemistry, reduced water and reduced cost enables not only adoption by manufacturers but also sort of interest from brands as well.
Our efforts, of course, we can't sustain alone, and we need partners. And it is super important for us that we find partners that understand the problem we're trying to solve. It's important to have a partner that has a similar vision, that has the commitment to not only provide a much better clean tech solution, but really shares the vision to change this industry into a clean tech industry. And we were very, very pleased to meet JSR. JSR have the right attitude to turning a new technology into a commercial success. They understand the journey that is necessary to bring a new technology into an industry that's very conservative and cautious about change. And I think through partnering with JSR, we stand a much better chance of succeeding in changing this world. So we are absolutely delighted that we have teamed up with JSR in Taiwan, and we expect great things from them, and we're confident that they will deliver great things for themselves and for us as we go forward and strengthen our partnership.
We started to approach the new technology. This new technology. After marathon communication, we visit them lots of times. Even under COVID-19 threatened, our team stay many times in quarantine house, which means we are going out without hesitation. It's a phase and goal to make it done. Up to the time right now, the machine is sitting in our mill doing the final tuning and calibration, and believe it can be launched to the market soon. Back to the initial inspiration. It's a good technology. We hope that it can be used widely to solve the water pollution issue and to restore the purity in the rivers and our oceans.